Welcome back to the Burj Al Arab. Easy with the load, bring it down.
We need exactly 5.
The sand density improves below the water table, but we need to verify the bearing capacity with the lab results.
The water table is fluctuating more than expected.
The sonar map shows significant erosion on the seabed profiles.
We must ensure the marine permits cover these sea defenses.
The environmental impact specifies the dredging limits here.
The boundary aligns here, but we need to verify the offset.
The GPS reading is stable. We are within tolerance.
Keep it steady now, easy, easy. Coming down slow, clear on the east side. Easy with the load, bring it down. Holding steady. How's the level on sector 4? Looks good, keep pouring. All right, move the screen over here. Keep it moving, don't stop the pump. Watch the edge over there. Bring the float back this way. Keep the roller coming, and we need to seal this section before the water comes up. I'm on it, making sure it's tight. We need to reroute the 6-inch pipes through this section.
That conflicts with the current electrical layout. We must maintain clearance.
Finish this section. All right, pull the cables up. All right, bring it up slow. Watch the clearance on the east side. Roger that, coming up. Watch the alignment on your side. Looks good, hold it steady. Get the wrench ready. Bring it left, easy now. Watch the alignment, slowly down. Bring it down slowly, watch the left side. We're clear on this end, lock it in. Slow down, bring it left. Okay, easy now, easy. Looks good. Bolt it down. A little to the left, easy now. Looks aligned, hold it there. Releasing the suction. Clear. The wind is strong up here. How are the readings?
115 kilo per hour.
The sealant application looks good.
Bring it down 20 millimeters.
Copy that, watching the gap now.
We've reached the target tension.
Acknowledged. Releasing the jack. Okay, lift it higher on your side. Is that straight now? Almost. Just a little more to the left.
Easy now, lower it slowly into the recess. Watch the alignment on the far side. That's it. Now tap it down.
Check the pressure gauge on level 7.
Reading stable at 500 pascals, engineer.
Align it with the marker.
Looks good, locking it in place.
The readings here are fluctuating slightly. Yeah.
Let me check the connection. Okay, it's stable now.
Attention, attention! An emergency has been reported. Please evacuate the building using the nearest exit.
This way, everyone. Keep calm and move towards the exits.
Attention, please.
How does the transition to sapphire look on the upper levels?
Perfect. The contrast with the gold is exactly what we needed.
We need exactly 5 centimeters clearance from the wall panel.
It is spot on, sir.
A little to the left, hold it there. Okay, lowering now. Watch the clearance.
Suite 4B is reading 150 CFM.
Okay, let's bump the lobby register up by 10%.
Initiating high-speed ascent. Monitoring stability now.
Readings are steady. Deceleration is right on target.
Electrical systems confirmed compliant.
Fire and safety checks passed. Certifying now.
The occupancy certificate, as agreed.
Excellent. We are very grateful for your support.
Welcome back to the Burj Al Arab. How was your journey? It was excellent, thank you.
Almost perfect. Remember, the seam must align precisely with the edge of the plate. Apply gentle pressure here.
To the success of the soft opening and to future collaboration.
Cheers. It truly is a spectacular venue.
Attention all personnel, this is a live drill. Direct all guests to the nearest muster point.
Sector 3, all clear. Moving out.
The guest satisfaction scores are excellent.
But the feedback on the new concierge system highlights some friction points.
However,